Hey guys, Min here. So today I am going to review and unbox a Bluetooth headset from Newbee. So this was sent to me by Newbee, so let's get started. So let's first take a look at what's on the box. Now the box itself is a very nice box. It says M51, that's the model of a Bluetooth headset. So on the back, there are some email contact information and basically another picture. On the side, it says it's rotatable headphones, the digital display screen, super long battery life, retractable ear hook, and dual ENC noise cancellation built-in mic. That's kind of cool. Let's open it up and see what's going on, okay? All right, we got inside a manual, okay, in a case, some earpiece, and so okay, your privileged service. So this is a 3-year warranty on here. That's pretty cool. And also a charging cord. This is the carrying case for this, and look in the back, okay, Bluetooth wireless headset. Input voltage is 5 volt, output voltage is 5 volt DC. So let's open this sucker up and see what's inside. So inside is the headphone. This is a single headphone with a mic and a 2 touch button, one in the front and one in the back. And also 2 buttons on the side for volume control. And you can adjust the either left ear or right ear simply by turning. And there is the contact point. Make sure to remove the contact point so it will actually charge in the case. Now, one of the cool things about it is there's dual charging methods, because there is actually another USB-C charging port here where you can charge the headphone without using the case. Once you have this, you put it in the case and it actually lights up and tell you what's the charge percentages that's available for the case. That's the digital display. That's pretty cool. Now, you simply put this on by turning left or turning right. If I want to do a right ear side, I simply do it this way, and I would put it on like so. Okay, that's pretty comfortable. It's pretty loose, and I can hear fairly well. So let's get a iPhone and see how it syncs up and see what the voice quality sounds like. I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back. So I have the headset here, and I want to talk a few things about what the buttons are. So there are 3 sets of buttons on this headset. There is one, the multifunctional button on the back. There is the button in the front. This is the mute button, and there is the volume control button. So to sync your headset with the phone or with any other Bluetooth device, use the back multifunctional button. You can also use the multifunction button to pick up a call, answer a call, or things like that. So let's sync up this headset with this iPhone. So I have the iPhone here, and let me go to settings, and let me go to Bluetooth. And let's hold down this. Okay.
Power on.
And we should see on the other device, there it is, M51.
Pairing.
And we'll select M51.
Connected.
You hear that it says connected. And once it's connected, I should be able to use this. So let me put this on. Okay. Ooh, I hear music. Okay, so let's connect to, so it's connected now. I can play the music. It actually sounds pretty good. It has a decent bass. The only thing is it's only 1 year. I think you could actually get 2 of them and it'll be 2 years. But this is designed so that you can still hear the room with 1 year and then still be having that conversation with the other. Very similar to maybe the early 2000s. A lot of people have this style, but this is great for conference calls. So let me record on voice memo and give you a test of the sound quality. Hello, this is a test of this microphone system from Newbee M51. Okay, let me play it back. Hello, this is a test of this microphone system from
Newbee M51.
Doesn't sound bad. Now, one of the things about this microphone is that you can actually connect to multiple devices. Now, I only connected to this one, but I was able to connect to my MacBook Pro as well, and I was able to use it for Zoom. So this is pretty cool. You can actually switch back and forth between the two. So let's talk about what I like and don't like about this headset. Number one thing I do like about it is the price. In comparison to something like an AirPod Pro, which is close to $300, this thing is around $30 or less. So yeah, 10% of the cost. So that's fantastic. In addition to that, this thing also have a dual charging. So you can charge it in the case. You can also charge it using the USB-C port that's in the back here. In addition to it, you can listen to music. You can also volume control. You can do 2 microphones with noise cancellation on there. And you can do it right ear or left ear. And yeah, it goes back into the case fairly easily, like so. So another thing I like about this Bluetooth headset is that how this thing connects, and when it connects to a Bluetooth device, it actually talks to you and tell you that it's connected or disconnected. So that's pretty useful. There are some things I do not like about this particular one. One is that, of course, which is also something I do like, is that it's only 1 year. It could do things, I could listen to music, I could talk on the phone, I could do my voice conference calls. For an office setting, a conference call, this is great. But for purely music listening, this is not the one for you. Now, I think you can actually get 2 of these and listen to it, actually have stereo, but this is not what it's designed for. The second thing I don't like about it is that even though it can sync 2 devices at the same time, it doesn't have a way to automatically switch between whichever one is playing, sort of like the AirPod. So what you need to do is you actually need to switch manually through the phone Bluetooth. So shut off one and then the other one will pick up. But it is good that it has that feature, but it isn't good that it doesn't automatically jump between the 2. And finally, I think the earpiece is critical, and how you want to do the volume control is pretty critical, or else the driver will have a little bit of crack. But if adjusted properly, this is actually pretty easy to use. With that said, for about 25 bucks, under $30, hey, this is pretty useful for your Zoom calls, and just having something on the side, much clearer audio than your laptop mic. It's not bad. It's not a bad purchase, and you have this nice charging case that you can put right next to your desk. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If it is, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye.